So we're here at the express bus terminal here in Busan. Nasa ito yung loob niya. You have yung may locker siya, oh, here, so pwede mong iwan yung kuan pala, mga gamit mo here, ha? You want to have a tour na you can move fast, then you have yung facilities niya. May locker pa dito, ha, no? Gusto mong iwan yung iba dito, no? Very safe. And there's a convenience store na inside. Have a very nice place. Then may toilet, malinis yung toilet. So transportation is quite easy. You can buy tickets. You don't need yung mga people, no, to man, because yung tickets mo, you can buy reservations. You can reserve yung seats mo. So this maganda, no? This is yung what they call express bus, no? Express bus terminal. Tignan mo, maganda, no? Yung setup niya. Very nice. Very clean. Time check is almost 11 PM na. Now, officially, yung name ng terminal na is the Busan Central Bus Terminal. So we just loaded yung card namin.
Akin po yung card na coin.
Okay. Nice. So we're loaded na. No, loaded. Sigurado. Where do we go? Here. Subway na. So, maganda sa bus terminal nila. Connected na sa subway din. No? Amazing. Amazing.
Well, the only one connection.
No? So, automatic na. You're connected sa subway. You don't need to go out. So this is yung parang connecting tube. Connecting tube. Tayo. Diretso na kaming subway. Tapos ilang stops tayo, Hana? From here. We're in East Busan, di ba? Tapos yung Airbnb namin is on the other side. Diretso na kami. Pasok na kami. Here na? Okay. Sige. Stop muna ang coverage.